Hi, my name's Jared Ross and I'm one of the coaches with Provo United. I coach basketball, soccer, football, golf. We're really excited to have the event today, bring businesses, bring awareness to Special Olympics. Our real goal is to get as many athletes a chance to play. Oftentimes, just because of funding, we have to close down registration once we get to a certain number of athletes, but what we're trying to do is make sure we have enough money so every athlete that wants to can play. And other than that, it's just fun. The athletes are phenomenal. They're some of the best people I know. I love spending my Saturday mornings with them, getting to know them, getting to understand and work with them. Definitely appreciate all these companies that came out. A lot of my friends sponsored teams today, and I'm super grateful and excited just to be a part of it.
Hi, my name is Brady Johnson. I'm an athlete with Special Olympics Utah and member of the Athlete Leadership Council. I'm here today golfing with sponsors of Topgolf, just having a good time, raising awareness for the organization and what we do. Stuff like this is one of the best parts of Special Olympics. I get to meet new people, get to educate them on what exactly it's like to be a person with intellectual disabilities. I just want to thank everyone who came today and came out to support us. We love meeting all of you. Yeah, thanks for coming out and having fun with us today.